Hello, this is going to be how you can put in the weekly check-in for TA on Skyward, and I'll undo as no count, but still be able to track the kids who've turned it in and not turned it in, and kids can see if they turned it in or not for that week. So if you go into your grade book and go into your TA class, okay, and then we're going to add an assignment, okay. And then, so I'm going to put in the dates like for this last week, which was 30th. So 3/30 through 4/3 weekly check-in. Now for the check mark to show up, you have to make that a 1. So I'm going to change that just to be like 1 point. It has to be worth something to get it in. I'm going to change my assign dates here to go to the end of the week. Okay. And then down here where it says show student result as, we're going to change that to check so the kids will see it as a check. Okay. And then I'm just going to go through and make sure I have everything filled in right here. Yep. Sure I got a check mark for my TA class. Okay, I'm going to do save and back. Okay, now I can go in and enter in my grades. So I'm going to go ahead and assign these all as, I'm going to go over here and do assign as no count. So apply. So now it's not counting against their grade, but now I can say, oh yes, this student did this. This one did not, and this one did not. Ooh, okay, making up scores for them. I really will put in real ones later, don't worry. And then you can come in and you can see check who has reported to you and who has not. Okay, and then when they see on Skyward, they can see that they've turned that in or not. So you can kind of know who you've been in regular contact with your TA class. All right, cheers.